Day 4 truck series today. We going to school. We got a block day. We're going walking to the gym. Then I would do sprints, but I'm not touching my bike until I get my truck. So yeah, see you at school. Crazy thing is, I'm not even gonna work out. I'm gonna go to my nephew's game. So I guess y'all gonna see some football clips. So we have left the gym. We're by Zaxby's. But we have left the gym. And I'm currently walking all the way to this Wawa. It's pretty far, it ain't that far away. I needed me a little walk since I ain't been active on the bike. And yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go watch my nephew score a couple touchdowns, hopefully. I haven't been to one of his football games in, oh my gosh, so long. Last football game I went to, I think they wanted me to go in the game and play. It was flag football. It was something like that, flag. But yeah, good football player. I used to play football back with them back in the daisies, you know, because I'm like 80 years old. But I'm doing a lot of talking and not a lot of walking. But yeah. What am I trying to say? But yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all when I get to Wawa. To the game. Got Jizz out there practicing or whatever they're doing. How you do? How y'all think dog gonna do?
Sorry, I'm enjoying.
Should do pretty good. So I think that's him right. I'm pretty sure this is him right there. Who is sitting on the bench? I hope that's not him actually, but I think that is. But we can find out. Nah, that can't be him. Matter of fact, I don't even think that was his team. I don't think that was his team. Nah, this looks stupid. I think they coming though, but it's all right. It's okay. So I'm sorry, Cam. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Nah, we gonna see what they do. Got my boy out there. Right there. Number some.
Completion number 9. Top of the week, top of the left.
8. Camden got 8. That's alright. See if we can turn this around.
First
Hopefully we can
down.
turn this thing around, boy. Looking rough, looking rough. Down by like a point. It'll be good. See if we can get in that end zone. Right there. Oh, nope. Never mind. Yep, blocking. Score, 4 minutes, 54 seconds, third quarter. All right, we bring it around now. Let's see what they got. The fourth quarter, he's been playing pretty good so far. Proud of the young man, proud of the young man. Doing something he like to do. He support me, so I'm gonna support him. I'm pretty sure they'll win this game right here. Offense coming on the field now. Let's see the outcome. All right, I made it home. It was a good game. I think it was 31-14. My nephew did very good. Remember when I told y'all, I don't know if I put this clip in, but I remember when I told y'all he kept scratching his leg, like something's wrong. He was catching cramps. But nah, he did good. He did good. That's my nephew. That's my road dog right there. That's my dog. But that includes my day. Tomorrow, I ain't gonna tell y'all what we doing, cause I don't know. I'm just gonna wake up at 5 in the morning like I always do and see what happens. But thank y'all for tuning in. Until tomorrow, peace.